1976 Dodge Power Wagon. Now, according to the previous owner of this vehicle, he was the second owner. So two-owner vehicle, believed to be original miles, a little over 88,000 on this one. A lot has been done to this by the original owner. I'll kind of get into that and kind of go down the list of some things that I've taken notes on here, fill you in. And then, of course, if you call and talk to any of our sales associates, feel free to discuss it with them too. They'll have access to a list of things that were done on this by the first owner. First of all, repaint into Viper Red. Very nice. As you can see, it's got a nice luster to it, so the lights and the showroom behind me. So paint in this one does show nice. Does not appear to be that old. And of course, you can see riding on an aftermarket wheel and tires. You see there's good tread left on those also. So there's a couple of things. Now, as far as brakes, it does have new brakes, front to rear, lines and hoses also. It is also power brakes. Power steering underneath the hood, as well as a 400 V8. You can see the front chrome. Also appears it has been redone. Bumper looks practically like new. Grill looks original, the polished on it. Decent shape, I would have to say, for a 1976 Dodge. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take a good look at undersides, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Check out those pics I'm talking about, and then feel free, like I said, call, discuss everything you'd like to know with a sales associate. 507-386-1726. Now, I did mention it has brakes all the way around. As far as some more things underneath the hood, plugs, plug wires, cap and rotor, power steering hoses, heater hoses were also done. You can take a look up and down the side of this. You can see this thing straight. Don't get a lot of ripples, or like we'll say, it's waving at you, so to speak. You can look up and down the side of that straight. Cab corners and everything look like it's been done up nicely. Has kind of a light spray and liner in the box. Cleaned up nice and tidy. See the interior, kind of a cloth and vinyl black interior. And we'll get around to that over on the driver's side. I'll start it up. We'll check out the engine bay, get a good look at that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I mentioned there's a 400 underneath the hood that is paired with an automatic transmission. Chrome in the rear of this, also in nice shape, as well as the tailgate and the paint on the rear of it also. Alright, some of the other things that were done when the paint was done: does have new door seals, window felts, new windshield was put in. So quite a few things done to this truck in recent years to kind of bring it up to snuff, make it look good. We just do not see a lot of these Dodge Power Wagons come in either. New Holley carb was installed on it also. Wanted to mention that. I know there's a fuel pump. The gas tank was cleaned, as well as gas and fuel lines. New sending unit put on it, but I noticed it didn't look like a gauge was reading, so it maybe something with the fuel gauge. But let's go ahead and start this up, check out the interior, go through some of the things there. I can tell you the radio powered up. I did not get reception. I'm guessing it's the radio, not the building we're in here. Wipers did work. Did have that going also. So check out the door panels, and again, kind of a cloth and vinyl seat combination. Cloth here, vinyl on the sides, vinyl in the center of it. Let's go ahead and start her up. There's what the odometer reads also. What is it? 88,971. Again, two owner according to the previous owner. Those are believed to be original miles. Whoops. Let's give her a little gas here. There we go. Pump her just a little bit. As you can see over here, oil pressure gauge has been added. That is working Altimeter's working. Like I said, I mentioned the fuel gauge. Did not see that move earlier when I was in here. As you can see, dash is in nice shape. Let's get out, slip around to the back of this. You can hear a little rumble coming out of that 400. It's kind of got the exhaust dumps right in front of the rear axle. I know there's a rear differential seal that was also put in, that was on the list. New shocks. And again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can call 507-386-1726 and discuss with the sales associate. Like I said, it's kind of a list of things that was done to this. Try to hit on the majority of them, but sure, consult with them if you would like to know more. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay. Alright, here you go. So 400, power steering, power brakes. I mentioned some new hoses, new radiator hoses, new heater hoses, tad bit of an exhaust leak coming off that rear header. That sounds like. Slip around. Yeah, you see how smooth that 400 runs. And pretty much what you would expect for a stock Power Wagon engine bay to look like. The hood's looking good. So there you go, 1976 Dodge Power Wagon 200, regular cab, long box, 4x4 with a 400 underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.